Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy. I am back with another lesson plan, or you can say a text for lesson that will be helpful for you, and teachers ask you to do that in A2 and B1s. The topic is Bazook by Gross Elton. Yeah, and this is part of model test papers. Those who are studying in A2 and B1, this is part of model test paper. So you can note down. Situation is you are talking about your visit to your grandparents last week. What all activities you did. Okay? So, before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. So, let's begin. Before, I always say that first you need to read the text by yourself, and then I will help you to understand the text word by word. Okay, so I will show you the text. You need to pause my video. Okay, I hope you cannot see me now. So you have to pause the video now and go through the text. I hope it is readable. You have to zoom also if you are watching from mobile. Pause it and read it. If you will follow the instructions, you will be able to learn. Else, if you think that shortcuts can help you to learn German, that is not the case. That is the reality. You have to give time, you have to try by yourself first, and then I am here to help you further. Okay, I hope you have paused the video. First two paragraphs are visible. After translating or understanding the first two paragraphs, you have to do these also. Once you're done with first two paragraphs, pause the video here and do these three small paragraphs also. ओके सो नाउ आई एम एज्यूमिंग मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ कि आप लोगों ने ये पढ़ लिया है और अब आप लोगों को कुछ चीजें समझ में आई हैं, कुछ चीजें नहीं आई हैं। तो जो चीजें समझ में नहीं आई हैं, आई एम हेयर टू एक्सप्लेन देम। सो let me pick up my pen. Today I don't want to use blue color. I want to use lila. Okay, I like this color, that's why. Blue is little boring. In many videos, I have used blue color. Okay, additional talk. That was additional talk. Okay, so letztes Wochenende habe ich meine Großeltern besucht. So this is past tense. We are also practicing perfect in this lesson. Ich besuche, present tense. You need to make a list of present and past. In all the lesson plan, I always say present and past noted down. Ich besuche, ich habe besucht. Past tense of besuchen is besucht. Participle 2. Ich besuche, ich habe besucht. Past tense. So let's test Woche. Again, ES ending you need to write, not letzter. Common mistake that many students do. So letztes Wochenende habe ich meine Großeltern besucht. So last weekend I visited my parents, grandparents. Sie wohnen in einem kleinen Dorf, ungefähr eine Stunde von meiner Stadt entfernt. They live in a small village. Ungefähr is around. When you are making an idea, around 1 hour from my city. Entfernt is weit weg in German, or distance, far away. दे स्टे 1 hour फार अवे फ्रॉम माई सिटी। वो 1 घंटे की दूरी पर रहते हैं मेरी सिटी से। Schon am Samstagmorgen bin ich mit dem Bus dorthin gefahren. So the person is saying on last Sunday morning. Already it is not beautiful. Without umlaut it means already. So already on Sunday morning. That is he's talking about the last Sunday. I went with bus. I traveled with bus there. Dorthin means he's talking to his parents' place or grandparents' place. Okay, वहां गया था. So write dorthin also. When you want to say ich habe meine Großeltern besucht, they live in Kleinendorf. So dorthin is being referred to this Dorf where they live. Okay, dorthin. So, already on Sunday morning, I traveled there with the bus. Die Fahrt war ruhig und ich habe unterwegs Musik gehört. The journey, Fahrt here is means the journey. His journey in bus. So the journey was peaceful. Ruhish means peaceful. So the journey was peaceful and I listened to the music on the way. So war is past tense and what is the present tense? East. Past is war. Hören, ich höre, ich habe gehört. Helping verb is habe, gehört is the past form. Ich habe gehört. Okay. So I have listened to the music unterwegs. What is unterwegs? On the way. रास्ते में. Am Bahnhof hat mich meine Oma mit einem großen Lächeln begrüßt. Very, very touching and very original sentence, you can say. I really like this sentence from this text because what are they saying? That on the station, or you can say on the bus station, my grandmother greeted me with the big smile on her face. That means मेरी दादी जी ने मुझे स्टेशन पर बहुत अच्छे से बड़ी स्माइल के साथ उन्होंने मेरा वेलकम किया. If you can learn, then learn this line. Wir zusammen Wir sind zusammen zu ihrem Haus gegangen und dort hat auch mein Opa schon auf mich gewartet. हम दोनों साथ में उनके घर गए. So what is the verb here used? Gehen. Ist gegangen. Wir gehen present tense. Wir sind gegangen past tense. Perfect. So we went to their house, and there my grandfather was already waiting for me. What is the verb? Warten. Warten. We have done warten verb conjugation in lesson plan 15. Okay, do watch that if you don't know the conjugation or what does warten mean. So there, my grandpa was already waiting for me. Warten is the verb in which you have to use always the preposition auf. Auf ही लगेगा. Für mich don't write. Auf mich you need to write. Note करना है करिए. Else I'm scrolling it down. You can pause if you want to note down. Zum Mittag hat meine Oma ein festliches Essen gekocht. What is festliches? जैसे कि किसी त्योहार पे खाना बनता है. The way if the food is cooked on any of the festivals like New Year, Christmas, Easter, or in India, any of the festival, right? So that means she cooked a nice meal for her grandson. तो उन्होंने कहा दोपहर में हमने एक बहुत अच्छा हैवी खाना खाया एंड शी कुक्ड फूड फॉर मी वेरी नाइस Es gab super Kartoffeln, Gemüse und Fleisch. Gab. What is gab? Geben is the verb. Past tense is hat gegeben. Prateritum. This is prateritum that will come in your B1. That's why I say these texts are applicable to A2 and B1 both. So, gab is the preteritum. Either you can write as gibt present tense. For A2 students, you can write as heart and then gegeben. Here you can write gegeben. So, A2 students, this you have done in chapter number 2 in A2. So, as hard, super Kartoffel, Gemüse und Fleisch gegeben. That means वहां पर सूप था, potatoes थे, vegetables थे और meat थी. B1 students will use as gab. Zum Nachtisch hat sie einen Apfelkuchen gebacken. Oh wow. So verb is used as gebacken. Backen is the verb to bake. Cake ko we always bake. We don't cook cake, we bake. So backen is the verb. Past tense hat gebacken. So for dessert, what is Nachtisch? Dessert. For dessert, she baked an apple cake. Der Kuchen war so lecker, dass ich gleich zwei Stücke gegessen habe. In this, they have used the connector das. See how he is explaining. The cake was so delicious. Lecker means delicious. War is was, past tense. So the cake was so delicious that I straight away had two pieces of the cake. That means das in past tense. That's why habe was the helping verb. Essen hat gegessen. So this helping verb goes at the end because we have used das. Das use किया है. तो helping verb जो है ich esse, ich habe gegessen. So habe जो helping verb है वो last में चला जाएगा because das connector use हुआ है. Am Tisch haben wir lange geredet. On the table we talked a lot. Reden is a very nice verb. Till reden is the synonym of the verb sprechen. यानी कि reden और sprechen का मीनिंग एक ही होता है जिसका मतलब होता है to talk, बात करना. Okay, reden past tense, hat geredet. In B1, A2 and start using reden verb instead of sprechen. Mein Opa hat viele Geschichten aus seiner Jugend erzählt. Okay, my grandpa has explained many stories of my childhood or young days. ठीक है, erzählen means to explain. Okay, ich finde das immer spannend, weil dadurch ich will über das Essen Leben führen erfahre. That means I find it always exciting because with the help of that, I can experience what I about my life earlier. Erfahre means to experience. It is the verb erfahren. Ich erfahre मीन्स आई एक्सपीरियंस मैं वो पल जीता हूं जो मैंने पहले अपनी लाइफ के थे उनकी उन स्टोरीज की हेल्प से. ओके, लेबन इज लाइफ. This is also good when you are talking about your parents. Okay. So now am Nachmittag sind wir spazieren gegangen. In the evening we went for a walk. Wir gehen spazieren, present. Wir sind spazieren gegangen is past. Make a list, note it down whenever I speak. That's why I'm speaking. Das Wetter war sonnig und wir haben im Park viele bunte Blumen gesehen. The weather was sunny and we saw many beautiful, colorful flowers in the park. So, sehen, to see, irregular verb, category number 3, as per my lesson plan number 15. We are haben in park filler. We have seen lot of colorful. Bunta means colorful flowers in the park. हमने बहुत सारे रंग बिरंगे फूल देखे पार्क में. Mein Opa hat mich auch gezeigt, wie er im Garten Tomaten und Gurken pflanzt. My grandpa also showed me. Zeigen is to show. Ich habe gezeigt. To show. So my grandfather also showed me how he planted in his garden tomatoes and cucumber. टमाटर और खीरे कैसे उन्होंने उगाए थे वो दिखाया. Ich habe ihm geholfen, Wasser zu gießen. I helped him to give water to the plants. Okay? So Wasser gießen is to give water to plants. पानी देना पौधों में. Write it down this noun and verb conjugation, and helfen is the verb. Ich helfe, ich habe geholfen. Helfen to help. Das hat mir viel Spaß gemacht. I had lot of fun. Now shall I scroll it down? Am Abend haben wir Karten gespielt. In the evening we played cards. So wir spielen Karten, present tense. Wir haben Karten gespielt, past tense. Mein Oma hat gewonnen. My grandmother won. Okay. Ich winne or wonne und ich habe gewonnen. Okay. Aber ich war trotzdem zufrieden. But still very satisfied. Zufrieden, note down this adjective to be satisfied. Trotzdem, but still. It is a connector that you will learn in further slides in B1. While we are alle viel gelacht haben because we laughed a lot. That means he's saying मेरी दादी जीत गई बट मैं फिर भी बहुत satisfied था क्योंकि हम बहुत सारा हंसे थे मिलके. He means to say that my grandmother won and I lost it, but still I was very happy or satisfied because we laughed a lot. Danach habe ich im Gastzimmer geschlafen. Then I slept in the guest room. Guest room. Gastzimmer. Please note it down. Ich schlafe present tense. Ich habe geschlafen past tense. Haben is the helping verb. Am Sonntagmorgen gab es ein gemütliches Frühstück mit frischem Brot und Marmelade. That means he is saying that on Sunday morning there was a cozy breakfast with fresh bread and jam. Marmelade is jam. Mit is the dative preposition you might have done in A1. Gab, again they are using it as past tense, Präteritum. Nach dem Frühstück habe ich mich von meinem Großeltern verabschiedet und bin wieder nach Hause gefahren. After the breakfast, I separated means verabschieden is the verb verabschieden. Past tense, hat verabschiedet. He means to say that I took a leave from my parents. मैंने उनसे विदाई ली. Okay, and I traveled back to my house. So, nach Hause fahren. When you are coming back, you don't say zu Hause fahren. When you are coming back, you will always use the preposition nach. Fahren is the verb. Ich fahre, ich bin gefahren. Their Besuch war sehr schön. The visit was very beautiful. Besuch is visit. बहुत अच्छी थी. Ich habe mich bei meinen Großeltern wohlgefühlt und möchte sie bald wiedersehen. Very nice line that you can use. Another nice line that I liked about this text. First in between I told, and this one also I'm highlighting with pink. That means I really felt very happy from inside with my grandparents. I like to visit them again soon. So now I am showing you the complete text. Okay, note it down if you have missed anything from this. I am scrolling it down now. You can pause. Pause it and write if you have missed something that I was explaining. Okay, now coming back to the MCQs quickly. I know I'm taking lot of your time, but what should I do? If I start explaining and understanding, it takes time. So V is there as sailor, so then grows Elton Giffaren. How did he travel to his to his grandparents with the bus? He was telling na the journey was peaceful. I listened to the music also on the way. Was gab as sum Naktesh. Desert में क्या था? What was there in the desert? Naktesh desert. Write it. Apfelkuchen. Was haben Sie am Nachmittag gemacht? What did they do in the evening? They worked in garden. His grandfather showed him the whatever cucumber and potatoes, right? What he has planted. He helped him to pour water. Yeah, पानी देने में पौधों में help किया था. Was heart beim Carton? Where heart? Where is who? Where is who? So who won the cards game? किसने कार्ड गेम जीता था? ओमा ने. एजेलर द नरेटर. एजेरल मीन्स नरेटर, जो ये पूरी स्टोरी बोल रहा है, वो नहीं जीता था. ही सेड बट स्टिल आई वाज हैप्पी बिकॉज वी लाफ्ड अ लॉट. राइट. What is your takeaway? What is your takeaway? We learned many new words, activities, and how you can talk about your experience with your family. You can make lot of sentences. When in speaking, do not be quite in front of your examiner, else you can't clear it. Keep speaking. Note down the important words. This is a part of model test B1 and A2. Okay, you might get it in your exam. So please write, note down nice words and make your own write up. Yeah. Till then, take care. If you find my videos helpful, if you have watched a complete video, that means you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel so that daily you get new updates. You can go to my channel also. There are a lot of videos uploaded and updated videos uploaded by me, which are helpful in your learning journey. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.